Welcome to the fascinating realm of mini wooden crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In an era where eco-consciousness is at the forefront of consumer choices, woodworking with reclaimed and scrap wood offers a unique opportunity to create beautiful, handcrafted items that resonate with both aesthetic appeal and environmental responsibility. This guide will explore how artisans can transform discarded materials into profitable mini crafts, catering to a growing market that values sustainability and originality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, the possibilities are endless, and the rewards can be both fulfilling and financially advantageous. As you delve into this world, you'll discover the art of crafting unique pieces that not only enhance home decor, but also serve as eye-catching elements in restaurants and hotels. The charm of handmade wooden items brings warmth and character to any space, making them highly sought after by business owners looking to create memorable atmospheres for their patrons. By leveraging the beauty of reclaimed wood, artisans can tell compelling stories through their creations, forging deeper connections with customers who appreciate the craftsmanship and sustainability behind each piece. Join us on this journey to explore the techniques, benefits, and opportunities that await in the realm of mini wooden crafts, where the fusion of artistry and environmental stewardship creates a promising path to success. If you enjoyed this exploration of mini wooden crafts and the potential they hold for creativity and sustainability, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos that dive deeper into woodworking techniques, tips for sourcing reclaimed materials, and innovative project ideas designed to ignite your passion for crafting. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow woodworking enthusiasts or anyone interested in sustainable living. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and fosters a community of like-minded individuals. Be sure to stay with us until the end of the video for valuable insights and a sneak peek at what's coming next. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of handmade crafts and the positive impact they can have on our environment and communities. The world of woodworking offers endless opportunities, especially when it comes to utilizing scrap and reclaimed wood. As sustainability becomes increasingly important in the modern marketplace, many artisans are discovering the profitability of crafting mini wooden items from materials that would otherwise go to waste. This approach not only promotes environmental responsibility, but also taps into a growing consumer demand for unique, eco-friendly home decor. This practice aligns perfectly with the growing trend of sustainability, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who are eager to support businesses that prioritize green practices. Many wooden crafts can serve as ideal decor for various settings, including homes, restaurants, and hotels. Establishments looking to create a warm, inviting atmosphere often seek unique decorative elements that reflect their brand identity. By offering tailored pieces that enhance the aesthetic of these venues, woodworkers can tap into a lucrative market. The charm of handcrafted items made from reclaimed wood resonates with patrons, providing a narrative that enhances the overall dining or lodging experience. The potential for profit in this niche market is substantial. As consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of their purchases, they are willing to pay a premium for items that are sustainably sourced and handmade. Artisans can leverage this willingness by marketing their products effectively, emphasizing the story behind each piece and the benefits of choosing reclaimed materials. This narrative not only adds value, but also fosters a deeper connection between the artisan and the customer. Moreover, crafting mini wooden items allows for scalability in production. Artisans can start small, experimenting with different designs and techniques without significant financial risk. As their skills develop and their products gain popularity, they can expand their offerings and increase production. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to market trends and consumer preferences, ensuring a steady stream of revenue. In addition to direct sales, artisans can explore various distribution channels, such as online marketplaces, local craft fairs, and collaborations with businesses. Establishing partnerships with local restaurants and hotels can lead to bulk orders, providing a consistent revenue stream. These collaborations can also enhance the visibility of the crafts, attracting new customers who appreciate the unique appeal of handcrafted decor. Additionally, woodworking with reclaimed materials presents a unique opportunity for job creation. As the demand for sustainable crafts grows, so does the need for skilled artisans. This trend can lead to the establishment of workshops and training programs that equip individuals with the necessary skills to enter the woodworking industry. By fostering a community of skilled craftsmen, artisans can help revive local economies and create a supportive network of like-minded individuals. Furthermore, the versatility of wood allows for endless possibilities in design. Artisans can experiment with various finishes, colors, and textures, creating a wide range of products that cater to different tastes. This adaptability can lead to the development of signature styles, setting artisans apart in a competitive market. By continuously innovating and refining their craft, woodworkers can maintain consumer interest and drive sales. As the market for handmade and sustainable products continues to grow, the potential for profitability in the realm of many wooden crafts is significant. By focusing on quality, craftsmanship, and sustainability, artisans can carve out a niche that not only supports their livelihoods, but also contributes to a healthier planet. The intersection of creativity and environmental responsibility offers a promising path forward for those willing to embrace the challenge. In conclusion, the journey from scrap wood to profitable mini crafts is a fulfilling venture that combines artistry, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. By harnessing the potential of reclaimed materials, artisans can create unique pieces that resonate with consumers and enhance various spaces. This approach not only bolsters revenue, but also fosters a greater appreciation for the art of woodworking and the importance of sustainability in today's world. Through dedication, creativity, and a commitment to responsible practices, woodworkers can build successful businesses while making a positive impact on their communities and the environment. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with others who might enjoy it. We appreciate your support. Be sure to stay until the end for additional insights and exciting content. Your engagement makes a difference,